There. Oh, right there.
That is the biggest moose I ever seen. Oh, he looks angry.
Yes.
It's a Scooby Moose.
We're going to walk out in the crowd once again. I love coming out in the audience. Should try to get drunk guy back up here, but instead, I'm gonna pick you. Will you help us out, sir?
Sure.
Sure, what's your name?
Ken.
Ken, up on stage. Ken, go right that way. How about a hand for Ken, everybody? Ken, you can help us out. And what's your name, buddy?
Dylan.
Dylan, come on up here, Dylan. This is gonna be fun. You're gonna love it. I swear to God. Come on, Dylan. Dylan and Ken, everybody. How about a hand for Dylan and Ken?
Come on over here.
Dylan and Ken. Hey, Dylan, come on over here. Say hi to Heather.
Hey, I'm Heather.
Heather, Dylan.
Nice to meet you. Dylan, this is for you.
Ken, now, here's what's going to happen in this game. They're going to do a scene for us, and you are going to provide the sound effects for the scene. So hold the microphone very close to your mouth, and I'll give you a quick example. If you can both do it at the same time. If I was going to pet a cat, an angry cat, it would sound like this.
Oh, someone did a great
Perfect.
Wow.
You do the sound effects for Jeff, nobody else. And Dylan, you're only doing the sound effects for Heather. Nobody else.
Am
Heather.
I in this?
Just Heather.
No, I heard my
Ryan's
name.
not it. Somebody from over here, give me an idea of a dangerous or outdoorsy profession. Something that would take place like an adventurous profession. What's that? Moose hunters. Thank you very much, sir in the blue. We got one in finally. Moose hunting. Sound effects. Take it away.
All right, you see that one right there? That's a cat.
Are we hunting cats?
No, we're hunting moose.
Now, they say in the book, if you see cats, the moose can't be far behind. You see, moose follow cat trails. Oh,
What was that?
I got my moose call. It also works for fog on steamships. Oh, I had it pointing the wrong way. Here.
It sounds like an Eskimo. But that's good because moose are very comfortable around Eskimos.
Well, we are hunting the Alaskan cat moose. All right.
I'm gonna start loading my weapon.
All right. I'm going to walk up ahead. I hope these dry leaves don't give away our position.
Okay. Get down! There! Oh, right there!
That is the biggest moose I ever seen. Oh, he looks angry.
Yes!
It's a Scooby Moose.
I'm gonna take the first shot.
All right. You've been trained how to use that firearm, I hope.
Absolutely not. I haven't even pulled the trigger and I fired.
You got to cock it first.
Okay.
You know what?
What?
I didn't need to put my fingers in my ears for that.
There's a silencer on the end of it.
I've got a huge double-barreled 12 gauge, and I'm going to unzip the pouch here.
Hurry up, he's getting angry.
Delayed reaction.
I'm gonna get champagne ready to celebrate.
I missed.
Fire until you hear the moose get hit.
You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to shoot one of those damn cats. We'll be eating cat tonight. Oh my God, that's the biggest flock of geese I've ever seen in my life.
Fired! That one's mocking you. All right, you know what?
Missed again.
I'm just gonna use a grenade.
You missed with the grenade. You know what they say, though? They say that moose and animals out here, the only way to really soothe them, because they're so scared of the presence of human beings, is to soothe them with music, which is why I brought my cello.
I am familiar with the way that you calm moose.
I'm gonna tune up first.
All right. Sounds great.
Tuned up. I'm gonna play a classical concerto on my cello.
Hold on. Let me ready my flute.
All right. Oh, you brought your flute. Fantastic. A cello and flute duo.
Hold on, I have to blow into the right part.
If I had a nickel for that. All right, we're gonna end that there. Thank you, man.